What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast, Nico Red, Mario, and Greb. And this is the Gilas Final 12 episode. Ang bilis, no? Final 12 agad. Usually, we would see na 15 muna, 14, 13. Di ba usually ganun yung trend? Pero nagulat ako na biglang 12 agad, which is no problem naman, no? We have no Kai, we have no QMP, we have no Scotty Thompson, we have no Calvin Oftana, we have no CJ Perez. In a way, this is Hinebra and UAP boys.
Yeah.
Ano, it's exactly
Yeah.
it.
Ano ba yung final? Hindi, may ano naman. May converge onte. May converge.
Yeah, UAP. Si Juan JDL, UP fight.
Yeah.
Pero
Yeah.
the lineup for what we have fine, sige, pwede na. I want to see how the young guys perform. I want to see Mike Phillips, how he does in an international stage outside the Asian Games or SEA Games, wherever he played before.
Do we still count
So,
this as the UAP boys? I feel like this should be called the Korea boys at this point.
Yeah, for international boys in Ginebra.
International boys na rin yung mga
At
yun.
Ginebra.
Yeah. And,
And Junmar.
And Junmar. Yeah, well, SM.
Yeah, but
SMC?
pwede. Pwede. For what it's worth, pwede na tong final 12 na to. Kasi ang daming injuries, ang daming hindi pwede.
Guys. Join muna kayo sa group natin.
Ay, oo pala. Facebook group, 6-man podcast -- mob. We're now at 2.2K. Ang bilis. Ba't bigla
Whoa!
nag 2.2K na tayo?
It's a 2.1.
Oh, 2.1. Same thing, man. Same thing.
Did someone leave is hilarious. They saw they saw all of the posts and they were like, you know
Na isang
what?
umalis. From 2200.
Maybe I don't want to be here. The 2.1.
Yeah,
2.1, right?
same,
2.1.
whatever. It was 1.9 the other day.
Yeah,
Yeah, before
Probably-
mag-champion yung Ginebra, it was 1.9K.
Nah, shit.
I didn't know you knew he never won the championship. Yeah.
Oh?
Oh, worry. Man, give it. See? I just sound sick, but you know, give your man a break here. But yeah, let's talk about this
Yeah,
national team.
for everybody who doesn't know,
I'm
I have been
I
giving
am
Graham
sorry.
shit ever since ever since go lang.
Hindi yun narinig, no?
No.
Nah,
Damn.
no, you know.
That's why we
I
paid.
can hear Mario slander. All I can hear.
Dude, I've been giving Graham so much shit
Yeah, bro,
for the
like,
way he
not
was acting during
responding
the
to my
Hinebra episode.
messages, you know,
I reacted to him. I was letting him feel it. So Hinebra fans out there, I got you.
Okay, alright.
I'll let him know.
I'ma get you. I'ma get you some other time, man.
I don't fuck up. But yeah, don't forget to join the group, guys. It's a really fun group. You know, we talk. I know the first few posts you will see will be about Hinebra. That is not
Ganun naman
so
talaga
surprise.
eh, di ba?
Champion sila yung gusto nyo gawin namin. But then, you know, after a while, it kind of simmers down. We talk about Gilas and everything. So don't forget to join. Please do join. We're nice people, especially me and Nico. So yeah, talking about Gilas. I don't like the lineup. Is that
Ako, I
too
think
much to
nasa
say?
acceptance stage na ako nung nakita ko. Sabi ko, wala kasing kay QMB pa. Alam mo, parang pinagbigyan ko na lang na, sino ba gusto natin? James Laput?
Hey, wow,
Hey.
drive by. So many people you could have said, man. You chose.
Who else?
you chose to
Sige,
target-
sino pang
you
big
chose
bad
to
gusto mo?
target
Nandiyan naman si
James.
Balti eh.
Arana, you could have said Arana.
GU2.
6'6".
I didn't do
6'5".
that. Zave Lucero, we could have said Zave, but yeah, we'll talk about that later.
There's something with his pass. Di ako sure. Di ba tayo sure sa passport niya?
This is first of all, Philippine government. Maybe we can make a bill for Justin Brownlee. Sino yung sa 200 peso bill? Who's on the 200?
Estado makapagal, man.
I didn't know that you had the answer for that, so now I don't have a response.
But I'm fine. I'm fine with actually, you know what? Put Brownlee in every bill, you know?
Yeah, but dude, he just finished carrying Hinebra. Not even winning a championship. I literally mean carrying Hinebra to a championship. A grueling Game 7 series. Tapos, medyo bugbog siya dun, man. And he's injured. Let's not forget, JB's been injured for basically the past 3 months.
Wait, Mario, sorry, I have to cut you off. I
Go ahead.
rarely do this, but before we discuss the guys, let's go through the 12 muna. Let's mention the names, and then we can...
Go lang, go lang. Go ahead.
Mario's going there.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
It's okay, it's
Go ahead.
okay. Just set the stage. Final roster, window 3, we got RJ, Baltazar, JB, AJ Edu, Junmar, Newsome, Mike Phillips, KQ, Dwight, Troy Rosario, Carl Tamayo, and Juan GDL replacing Scotty Thompson. Ayan.
Hey, Graham, you know the reason why I let Nico do that, brother? He pays.
Ay.
He pays us, man. You can do whatever you want.
Don't bite the hand that feeds you.
Yeah. Do whatever you want.
Alright, yeah. It's payday nga pala. So.
Yeah,
It's payday for one
payday
day.
in 2 days.
Kaya pala yung 2 days. Ay, hindi, it's Sunday. So, dapat Monday. Monday, kasi hindi banking day. So,
See,
Monday.
he already telling us it's gonna be late by a day.
That's low
But
key,
dude,
low key announcement.
Yeah, low-key na. Yeah, so now you guys know when we get paid, by the way.
Gusto nyo mag-chip in? Here's our...
Gusto niyo ba mag-chip in? When we say paid, we mean like yung pang ano lang, yung pang merienda lang namin. That's what we mean by paid.
Literal though. Literal pag merienda. Literal pag merienda lang nila yun.
That's all we get from it. But the roster itself, like I said, I don't like it. I get it na Calvin can't play. CJ, I don't know why he's not here also. Malonzo's not in the lineup. Scotty's not gonna be playing. No Kai, no Q. So there's a lot of people who would be big pieces for. I was about to say Ginebra. For this team, but won't be available. So it kind of I don't hate it. Like I know it's still gonna compete to the best of its ability, but it's not a strong lineup for me. For me personally, if will I support them? Yes, of course. But my hopes aren't high, especially kasi Australia and New Zealand ulit yan eh. You know what I mean? Like these are literally the 2 best teams in Asia. So it's quite difficult to face off against them without a complete lineup.
Yeah. Do I... Am I a Ginebra fan? Yes. Do I like seeing them play? Yes. Do I like seeing them play in the national team like most of them?
No.
Probably not. Like, I don't hate the roster. I despise it.
Ooh.
It's
Why?
it's not a good lineup actually. You
Tapos
know,
yung nakakatawa
parang-
dito, kalaban natin Australia and New Zealand in their home court.
Yes.
Ay, bro,
Yes.
I'm telling. You know we lost to
Wow.
Australia Team C, right?
Exactly.
Pero lagi mo naman na-respect si Pepper, pare.
Yeah,
Gusto
I
nga
know
bumili ng
Elijah Pepper's there.
Elijah
pero-
Pepper.
Man, I'm sorry. It's just I don't. Again, not a big fan. Like, go ahead, Graham. You can continue.
Actually, yeah, I don't despise it. I'm just not a big fan. Like, I'm not gonna hate it. You know, I'm gonna see my hero once again, Justin Brownlee. But bro, talking about Justin Brownlee, can we get another guy? Like, can this guy get some rest? I'm
Benny.
probably gonna get.
Late si
Huh?
Benny
Yeah.
na late na yung niya kasi sa Senate, 'di ba? Parang last week lang na-approve.
That's
Pero I
all
think
you know,
What?
Senate, we got a problem. No, I'm just kidding.
There really is
we
a
do.
problem.
I'm
There
not
really is a
actually
problem.
kidding.
Yeah,
I genuinely believe there is a problem. But,
I think everyone knows there's a problem with the Senate. Ang question na lang is ang side ka.
yeah, probably. If follow me on my Instagram to know my political charot. But yeah, go ahead, Graham.
Bro, listen. Justin Brownlee deserves to rest. Okay? Remember the last time na hinarap niya in New Zealand, what did he have? Like, his worst game in a long while probably we've ever seen. Di ba sobrang nag-struggle talaga siya against New Zealand, and despite that, we only lost by 3. But still, hindi yun yung New Zealand team na inaasahan natin na Team A. Kasi if that was Team A, we would have lost by 20 pag ganun yung nilaro ni Brownlee. So, I'd say, you know, what about NBA champion Jordan Clarkson? Like, isn't he available? Di ba parang... I know. Pero, di ba, parang there can be, this is a good window for Jordan kasi, di ba, NBA is over, he's riding the championship boat, tapos lalaro ka against Australia and New Zealand, and, that's not the best version of their teams then. So, I get that. I'm happy Actually, not really happy, but I'm smiling that Scottie Thompson is taking some rest. That guy can barely walk after games, di ba? Tapos nabukulan pa ni Clarito, nasapak pa ni Kelly Williams. So, he deserves to at least, alright, at least have a breather. I'm glad that si Juan is nakabalik because I'm a big fan of Juan Gomez de Liano. The rest of them, fine. You know, future Jin King Mike Phillips, ever reliable Kevin Kiambao, who's gonna be having the
Ito na yung opportunity niya, brother, if you ask me.
yeah, but he's gonna be having the what do you call this? The Lander Shamit role, you know? Ganun na naman yung gagawin ni Coach Tim dyan sa kanya ni Carl Tamayo di ba?
That's why I never hope na KQ ends up on Hinebra. Kasi magiging ano lang yan.
Wait, ibang usapan na yun, man. Pag
Stand still shooter na siya dun.
Hindi naman, ibang usapan na. Pero bro, okay, I'm gonna get back to my points in a second, but what are we doing? Why is Junmar still here?
I think... sorry, go ahead.
Go ahead. Because the only reason I'm asking that is he's a defensive liability. You're not exposing him on offense, 'di ba? Hindi mo naman binibigay sa kanya yung bola eh. Hindi naman yan kagaya ni Coach Leo na, putya, mamatay tayo kay Junmar tayo pupunta, 'di ba? So what's his use? Although gets ko wala si Q, wala si Kai. So that's probably the reason, but you know, we have better big men. I mean, why not get I'm serious, why not get Gio Chu?
Wait lang. Tumatawag na sa akin. Wait lang. Wait, give me a second. Sorry, guys. Wait lang. Recording.
Or
Ayun, sinasabi ko is,
I don't
how do I
know
say
any
this?
other big man.
Man, actually, I have a funny opinion about this. This might be the good time to use Junmar. And let me explain. This is the first time I think Junmar will be playing in a FIBA window na hindi siya galing sa finals.
Very fresh siya, no?
This
Very
is
fresh.
like, this is, right? This is
Very
one of the first
fresh.
times we've seen him in a while na hindi siya pagod talaga. He hasn't played in almost a month, right? Or one and a okay.
Yeah, something like that. A month, no?
Diba?
Kasi humaba yung semis and finals.
Yeah.
yeah.
So, yeah, mahaba yung semis and finals. May game 7 yung sa finals, game 6 pareho yung sa
semis.
yeah, tapos tapos in the quarters he was eliminated in the first round, like in the first game.
In game
So,
1, yeah.
Yeah, so this is a bit of a longer rest, Junmar. So, and yun nga, like you mentioned, wala naman si wala si Kai.
Kai.
Wala si Kai, so wala si Q. And it's not like Kimani Ladi is already a local, di ba? It's
Parang
not
hindi
like
ata eh.
Yeah, it's not like Ange is already a local. So, you know, it's not
May 1 year pa? 1 year pa ba kay Ange?
Yeah. I'm
Parang
not sure.
ganun, di ba?
I really don't know how that works if I'm being completely honest.
Ano ba yun? Ano yung rule na yun? Yung magiging local na siya, like hindi na siya naturalized, si Ange Kwame?
Because he played here for 10 years. He's been
But
here
Corey,
for 10.
but Corey Webster, is Corey Webster New Zealand? Never
Wait,
mind.
so dahil 10 years na naglalaro si Ange, magiging ano na siya?
Filipino.
Correct me if I'm wrong, I think
Filipino.
that's the Hagop rule. It's one of those
Hagop
Hagop.
rule?
Oo. Check mo na lang ano yung 10 years na yun if you've been playing professionally. You've been playing in a country for 10 years straight.
Yeah.
Parang
Because
pwede ka
that
ma-consider. At
That may
developmental
apply
years
to
niya pa yun.
Brownlee na rin.
But
Diba? Brownlee's been here
Pero
since
Brownlee went through the
2016.
naturalization process na.
Oo,
Si
dumaan siya sa
Ange is
naturalization.
Parang iba na,
Still-
parang iba na ata pag ganun eh.
Oo.
Kasi plus I think I'm not super sure. I really don't know how it works. I'm not in the Senate yet. So
Yet.
Wow.
Yeah, wow.
no, I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna be in the City Hall first, man, before you go to the Senate.
I technically, never. You know what? I'm gonna keep that.
Hey.
Ah,
Keep your personal
keep it to-
business, ah.
I'm
Pero
gonna
bro,
keep it to myself.
yun yung sinasabi ko, like, okay, si Brown, by the way, just a quick aside, nakalimutan ko to sabihin. Brownlee is a naturalized Filipino, right?
Yeah.
Technically, he could have won the finals MVP.
Well, I don't know. Would you have been happy if you won?
Yeah, absolutely.
Happy with you.
Remember, I voted one Pac-Man party list because of Justin Brownlee.
You voted one Bachman party list?
Yeah, because of Justin Brownlee. I saw him said one Pac-Man. So,
Alright.
I
We'll talk
voted
about that
one
another time.
But bro, again, Junmar, he's my goat, all right? I do not hate Junmar, okay? I do not hate Junmar. Actually, I'm not a hater of San Miguel at all. Pero international stage, we've seen it multiple times, 'di ba? Sino yung Al Suwailem? I cannot
Al
forget
Suwailem,
how
yun na naman kayo.
Al Suwailem at 1 a.m. Manila time destroyed Junmar Fajardo every single time, brother. Like, so, it's probably time to join Japet. Di ba? Wala din roommate mo eh.
Ano pangalan si Al Marwani?
Al Marwan is a different
Marwani.
beast, brother. And when I say beast, I mean beast, alright? So,
I forgot which one it was. It was one of them. But yeah,
but yeah, bro, si
wala choice.
Junmar, I think there are, Junmar SEA Games. Why not SEA Games? Lagay si Junmar. Why do we keep on exposing him sa international stage? Again, if it's Coach Leo, sure. Nandyan lagi yung bola, di ba? But it's Coach Tim eh. But yeah, it is what it is. I just think na hindi ganun kalaking tulong ni Junmar when it comes to international basketball. I mean, Tim Duncan wasn't part of Team USA. I mean, he was the best big man for quite some time. Pero,
Wow.
styles
That was
make
good.
fights.
That was a good.
Yeah, actually.
Good. I'm not gonna lie. That was one of the best things we've ever
Wala
seen.
na ata siyang sakit. Wala na atang sakit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just coughed, man. I'm still sick. Pero, di ba, you can
No choice
understand
na ata,
what I'm
brother.
saying here.
Pasalamat. I'm not really pasalamat, but at least Japet isn't being forced to play anymore, di ba?
Oh,
May
yeah.
time kasi na pinipilit si Japs maglaro kahit ayaw. Si Japs, guys, for the longest time, ayaw na ni Japet, di ba? I think he said it so many times na ayaw na niya mag-national team. So, at least this one, it's just Junmar na yan yung parang holdover na lang si Junmar, if I'm being honest, ng like
Yeah.
past of Gilas. Yung Alapag days Gilas. So,
Parang shoe-in na lang siya. Parang shoe-in na lang siya na, Junmar, lagi dapat, di ba?
bro, until Gio-Chu, and shout out Gio-Chu, until Gio-Chu is able to produce on a legitimate level sa PBA, ay medyo mahihirapan ka magpalit ng Junmar Fajardo. 6'10 pa rin yun eh. Ay, 7? I don't know how tall he is. If I'm being honest.
Yeah, he's not 7 foot kasi mas malaki si Slaughter sa kanya.
Yeah.
But,
So until you get like Kaimani, I think Kaimani is almost 7 feet. Or Q and Kai to always be available. Mahihirapan kayong hindi gamitin si Junmar. Kasi size end of the day matters.
bros, yeah, well, I can tell. I mean, I hear that every night. But, bro, masarap nga I mean, not masarap, but maganda sana si Kaimani Ladi if he got in.
I don't know
again,
how.
bro,
I don't know about Kaimani's kasi yung naturalization niya.
I
Hindi
know.
mo na IG message late. I don't think
Yeah,
he'll respond. But if Kaimani, if you see this, I'm gonna message you on IG.
Yeah, and figure out your naturalization process. Pero bro, again, I took a shot at Junmar. Pero happy ako because Mike Phillips is finally going to get his
Yeah.
this is debut, right? Nag-debut na ba siya?
He debuted sa SEA Games.
Sa SEA Games, right? But
First time niya ata
this
sa
one,
legit na tournament.
yeah, na FIBA tournament. This one, it's gonna be, it's going to be a
Oh,
test
yeah.
for him. Kung
Yeah.
gaano ka-ready si Mike Phillips, not just in the international stage, but, sa international basketball. Like let's say, for example, hindi siya tumuloy sa PBA, nag-D-League siya. This is a good measuring stick for him to see kung nasa na ba talaga siya. Because he still has limitations, di ba? But
Yeah.
I take him over Junmar in the international stage. He's more mobile, he's more agile, he's younger. Face card, Mike Phillips.
Okay.
Am I
okay.
wrong?
I'm not disagreeing. I'm not disagreeing. I'm just more of,
Why did I say that?
why did you say it? Yeah. Yeah. It was more on the why did you say it, but okay. I see.
Pero, di ba, this is the kind of passing the torch na dapat niya kay Balti papunta to di ba? But Balti's kind of gotten overlooked na by Gilas. What I'm really interested to see also, RJ Barrientos, how are you going to show up? You're the main guard here. You're the main
Yeah.
guard. You and One are the point guards here. The rivalry of RJ and One, set aside muna natin siya for a second. But if they both, explode or have a good game against New Zealand and or Australia, then that's a win for us na kasi I'm not expecting us to beat Australia. Not on the road.
Not ever.
Not on the road.
Don't think we're beating
Yeah,
Australia.
not ever.
We need Kai. We need
have-
Kai. We need Kai.
Wag lang may pizza siguro.
Oo nga, no. Is that Greenwich?
No, Pizza Hut. We're not sponsored.
It's not. All right. Well, we don't get sponsors anymore. I mean, we do, but we don't. We turn them away.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, man. We're not we're not beating Australia. I just want to see a good game from us. You know, not expecting anything. People are gonna flame me for this, but I root for Ginebra more than I root for Gilas. Because most of the time,
People
open
know that, bro.
kalaban natin, eh. Yeah.
That wasn't obvious last video.
Oh yeah, actually.
Again, man, you have to move on. I was sick. I was going through something. I'm gonna tell you something. When it's your last day at your job, you can't.
But
wait
you
to
didn't
go
like your
out.
job.
No, we asked you about that and you said you were you said you were happy.
What do you mean? I'm happy with my new jobs, but not with my old job, which I already left, and I'm taking
Ang
it
masaya
sa
ka.
sarili kong mga equipment. But all I'm saying is, I just need to see yung system ng ni Coach Tim, how the national roster, especially yung mga bago, especially si Mike Phillips talaga super interested ako kay Mike, how he's gonna perform. Please, Coach Tim, play Mike more than Junmar. You're not gonna utilize Junmar din naman,
Knowing
di ba?
Tim though, he's not gonna do that.
Well, it's a tryout, you know? It's a tryout for
Parang it's a tryout.
for
Sila
the
ni Balti.
draft.
Four pala. I'm curious. Is this qualifying for World Cup?
Yeah. No, World
Alam ko we
Cup.
moved on to the next stage na, di ba? Naka-move. Alam
So
ko
we're
parang...
already in. Sorry, it's
Yeah.
been a while.
I'm what?
More
what
for
good are we
seeding.
gonna
It's
get
more
here?
for seeding. It's more for seeding.
Na lang to. Kaya pala. I agree with Graham. Yung excited ako. I think he's excited for Graham excited for Mike and RJ. Ako I'm excited for Juan. Kasi at this point, if you're Coach Tim, wala na siyang choice kundi gamitin si Juan eh.
Wala na siyang choice na.
Wala na si Scotty di ba?
Wala na si Scotty
Wala si
eh.
CJ, wala si
Oo.
Calvin.
Exactly. So wala siyang choice kundi gamitin si Juan and I want Juan to play. I get it, Juan isn't the amazing defender that we want him to be. Pero you know, yung ganyang talent ng Juan Gomez de Leaño when healthy, Gilas mainstay yan. Kaya nga mahirap hindi ilagay sa lineup yan.
Eventually, he has to be one of
He
the
has to be,
mainstays.
diba? Yeah,
And
he
you
has
cannot
to be.
say na uy, walang depensa si Juan because RJ is the same, 'di ba? So, if you have RJ and in your line, although in the finals, 'di ba, nakita natin na si RJ at least hindi siya super actually I don't think he was a defensive liability outside of game 6 when Heading just torched him. Pero if you're gonna say na parang okay, hindi natin kukunin si Juan because he doesn't play good defense, well, you look at the mirror. Your best local player is also not a defensive superstar, so Jason David lang naman yun eh. So, 'di ba? Juan Gomez de Leaño has to be a staple in this Gilas roster. Maganda yung nilaro niya against New Zealand, ah. Against New Zealand.
I'm not
it's
letting
one of the
you
win.
I'm not letting you get away with si Jason David
What?
lang eh.
What do you mean? Some people called him defensive superstar, di ba? When we were recording 2 conferences ago. Like, dude, watch out for Jason David, the defensive superstar. All right,
Do you remember the name? I forgot the name.
I forgot the name, but someone called him that. So yeah.
Sure,
But
man.
brother, I'm excited. I'm gonna say this. I think we beat New Zealand, man.
We're not beating New Zealand. Have you seen their team A?
Sino
Mario.
ba naglalaro for New Zealand?
Oh my God, wait.
Tingin nga. Wait lang. Hindi ko pa New Zealand lineup.
Let
Wait
me
lang,
see.
New Zealand.
Pero naglabas na ba sila? Meron na.
May nirelease. May pinakita si Alfred sa atin eh. New Zealand.
Oh,
Iba.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Yan yung
Oo
team
nga, brother.
AA talaga nila.
Oh. I'm not gonna ask you to cut that, Nico, but if your
Team
your
AA?
heart is
Bro, this is literally Team A.
Why me?
Yeah.
This is
Did I say something?
what's Graham saying?
Yeah, what are you saying? I just said team
no,
A.
I'm just saying na
No,
Yeah.
Graham said kasi na he thinks Gilas wins. I think that's what he's saying na
Oh, I'm not cutting that part.
Well,
he's not gonna back out of that.
people make mistakes. and I did. We're not beating New Zealand. Actually, we're just there
not
for
cut worthy. Not
attendance.
cut worthy.
You said worse that we've kept. Uh,
Yeah.
Dude,
You
man.
got the prison guards when I talk about the prison guards.
Oo nga pala. Dude, you,
Prison guards.
here's the thing. Without Kai, without
We're losing.
Hugh, without Calvin, I guess, or CJ, or without a 100% roster ng Gilas, you were never gonna beat this New Zealand team. Yan yung reality. Okay, I'm being honest with everybody out there. I will say they have a puncher's chance. Pero man, this is Team A ng New Zealand. This is I'm sure we'll do a Hinebra tuloy. Gilas versus
Freudian
New Zealand
slip ka.
preview. Huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Something.
Wow.
Wow. That's
Wow.
intense, Graham.
What
Wow.
a thing to say. One day y'all are gonna be willing to pay for these comments.
Yeah. Or our chat.
For our chat. One day we're gonna offer it to you guys, and I'm telling you, it's gonna
You
be
won't be
worth
able
it.
to guess what we're typing there. It's intense.
Saying we were typing, it's one guy who's typing the most insane things out there, okay? I don't
Ikaw rin, Mario, minsan, meron kang mga episodes that you just type one line, I'm like, wow. Galing
It's
kay
probably
Mandotak.
There's probably a reason for the season. But yeah, so like
Where's the roster again? I'm trying
the one
to
I'm
look for it.
this is a heavy roster from New Zealand. Literally Team A all around. I think there's only wala pa lang there's no Corey Webster. So that's good.
Lakas pa rin sila, bro. Lakas
Malakas pa rin sila. That's for sure. Maglalaro nga si Shea Ely.
Shea
This is
LA.
better than di ba? Than the actually not just better. I think this is way better than what they brought here in the Philippines.
Oo, brother, malayo.
Ito, this is the roster na. Taylor Britt, Carlin Davidson, Shea Ely, Mojave King, Sam Menenga, Tyan Murray, Jordan Ngatay, Toy Smith-Milner, Ruben Terangi, Sam Timmins, Sam Wardenberg, and Ty Webster.
Yeah, I'll
Yes.
talk more about each of those guys when we do the
Yeah, we'll do a preview versus New Zealand and then versus
yeah, go ahead.
Australia.
Yeah. So, I'm excited for Mike as well. I'm excited for Juan. The one I'm kind of hoping does well sa window na to, based on the lineup, is si Carl Tamayo. I'm really hoping Carl Tamayo plays well in this window. Kasi, let's
Any
be
reason
honest.
for that?
Huh?
Any reason?
No, this is a personal one. Kasi, let's be honest, I think there have been games where Carl looks good. Pero for the most part, either hindi siya nagagamit ni Coach Tim
Parang
well,
shortlist
or
siya si Coach Tim sa kanya. No?
sobrang
Parang
short
isang
lang
mali,
discarte ni Carl.
tanggal.
Isang mali lang ni Carl, tanggal na siya eh. So I'm hoping in this window, since if we're understanding it correctly, pasok na tayo sa next round or whatever, sana sa window na to, Carl's able to parang makapa niya talaga yung international stage. Kasi yun nga, mainstay din yan eh. Like, Troy Rosario is how old? I don't know how old Troy Rosario is, but he shouldn't be playing. He isn't gonna be playing international basketball for much longer either. Justin Brownlee's not young at all. He's old, man. So like, Carl Tamayo, I believe, hopefully in this window, maganda yung ipakita niya. Kasi kaya niya, bro, when you watch Carl Tamayo in the KBL, naiintindihan mo eh. Like, may laro talaga siya inside, outside.
Kaya siya binababad eh.
Bro, there was this guy before na lagi ko nakakaaway kasi he always liked finding something wrong in what I was saying. Siya din yung nagsabi na...
Ito sa comments?
Oo, man, yung nagsabi dati na Kai Soto's a better shooter than Mason Amos.
Oh my God,
Yung
that's the 50% ano ba, guy? Yeah,
Oo,
I
yun
remember.
yan yung naglabas ng percentages. Sabi ko,
Mario, do you know kung ba't hindi na nagko-comment yung user na yun? Nakalimutan ko na yung password ng account.
no. Wait, man. That's really funny.
Wala ka na sakit, brother. Okay ka na? Okay ka na?
That was really funny, man.
Forgot this password. Oy, Grab, kailan mo susundin yung yung
That's
wig
good.
mo na Jordan heading? Gusto ko makita yun. You should wear that one day. Whenever heading has a big game, you should wear that.
That's good, man.
You should do that. Di ba? Mario,
Which one?
Diba, when Graham, kunyari may good game si Jordan Heading, so ni Graham yung long hair ni Heading in
Oh
an
yeah,
episode.
have you guys seen that on IG? IG mo ba yun? IG mo pinost yun, no?
IG ni
Uh,
Graham, yeah.
So
yung
yeah,
follow us
all the 2,500 will watch the TNT video will see the me with the wig. Pero
TNT video.
yeah, but I mean we
2-5,
only
2-5
will
naman.
post
kasi
that, diba?
2-5 to 4,
Kapag,
nagto 2-5 to 4 naman.
Man, at least like 5K. Dude, you know what? I'm not gonna hate on. There are some nice TNT fans out there, man. I'm not gonna
Yeah,
hate
si Romel.
Oh yeah, Romel's one of those guys.
Romel.
One of them ones. Yeah,
One of the actually marami namang good ones. Mga nasa ano natin, group natin.
actually,
Facebook
TNT
group,
fans
Six
are
Man Podcast,
are normally
Dash
nice,
Bench Mob.
you know?
Yeah. So yung hope ko nga talaga is si Carl Tamayo yung magba-blossom. Si Balti, I'm not baka try out to for him. I feel like this is a try out for Balti na mag-internet. Kasi last time I think we saw Balti was when yung sa Serbia game, if I'm remembering it correctly. So baka medyo try out to kay Balti.
Di ba sila nila RJ?
Pardon? Oh, si RJ din same time ata nung
Oo,
time.
yung pinahirapan nila yung Serbia.
Yeah, pero si Coach Tim kasi, RJ is already, I think, proven himself kay Coach Tim eh.
Oh,
Kahit,
wala na.
oo. So, hindi niya kailangan mag-try out. Ito si Balti, parang try out to for him, I would say. Even if I believe na medyo mainstay din yun. So, hopefully he does well as well. Yeah, that's what I have to think about it. That's all I'm gonna say.
Beware sa sa wings, Newsome, Dwight, and the rest. Diyan
We're undersized.
for your position.
We're
You know?
we're
Like,
undersized.
Pagtambak yung Gilas, Janabis may Janabis may see some playing time.
Or Ralph Koo joins the Gilas practices from what I know.
Bro, I know, pero pucha iba yung si tawag dito, si Abis, solution talaga yung pagtambak eh. 'Di ba? Game
So Scotty
24.
Thompson rookie Scotty Thompson without the playmaking.
Yeah,
That's a wild
something
thing
like
to
that.
call John Abbas.
Uy, rookie Scotty
He called-
Thompson.
He called Jalen Johnson all the names, so I'm not so
Yeah, he did do that.
All the day.
Pero, yeah.
That he will
Not
never-
the best roster, man. Not the best roster. I've seen way better roster. The only sad thing before I go is the politics still is hindi pa rin natatanggal. You know, like when it was Coach Chot at helm, karamihan MVP players, diba? Ngayon si Coach Tim, karamihan SMC players or future SMC players. So I hope one day we'll be united na we'll see the best version of our national team. Hopefully not too long from now. Yeah.
Bro, yan yung I think we can talk about now. If you guys want to. Yung snubs again.
Go.
Yeah.
Bro, na-mention mo kanina, sabi mo, diba? Sabi mo, you said it was the perfect time for Jordan. Yes, it is the perfect time for Jordan. Heading, not Clarkson, brother. I think like Heading should have been there. Bro,
Over who?
it makes no sense kasi Coach Tim, you just saw what Jordan Heading did to you.
We need shooters. We need more shooters. Kulang na naman ang shooting ng team na to.
Bro, we just saw what Jordan Heading did to
Nebra.
Ginebra. Sorry, I'm building something kasi. I love Lego by the way. We just saw what Jordan Heading did to Ginebra. Sasabihin mo sa akin na what's this called na he doesn't deserve a Gilas spot. Come on, man.
Okay,
Like
over who?
I hate you.
Over Junmar? I think over Jun.
Junmar na naman, dan late natin.
Maybe I don't know. I feel like I just wanted Heading to be in here. Maybe Troy. Maybe over Troy kasi you don't need.
Yeah.
Do you need a Troy
that's a
in
good
this one?
point. That's a good point. No.
Yeah, do you need a Troy in this one? I feel like you already have that in KQ.
Can we also
K-Day.
petition SJ Belangay? Ang bagay siya sa Gilas, no?
Ito yung sasabihin ko. I don't think you can have both SJ, Juan. You can't have all three of SJ, Juan, and RJ.
And RJ. Yeah.
Oh, di pwede yun.
Redundant din man eh.
Yeah, you have to remove. Yeah, okay, fine. You have to remove one of the two between RJ or Juan.
Oo. Yun yung that's the thing with it. So it's not that we don't like SJ, brother. SJ, we're a fan. Always have been.
I'm a fan of
Well, not
SJ.
always. I wasn't in Ateneo before, so I wasn't a fan of it then. So pero yun nga. there's a heading I think would have been nice here instead of Troy. Kasi yung position ni Troy, parang you have players there na eh. May Mike, KQ can shoot, Carl can shoot. May JB ka who will probably play 45 minutes.
Medyo spotting shooting though ni Carl and KQ. They're not knockdown shooters na ano. They can create their own shots though, pero pag set shot like wide open, parang hindi
Brother,
siya.
I will take their shot over Troy's. No
Ah,
offense.
okay, fine. Ako rin naman.
Like that's no offense meant at all. But iba pa rin yung shooting nung dalawang yun as compared to Troy. But you know, he's the one available. I would have loved heading. Of course Robert Bolick.
Oo nga, no? Yeah, bear.
No, si Babes talaga, man.
Symbolic
Sobrang,
is
alam mo,
there you have to remove RJ. Ganun lang
Oo,
yun.
medyo si RJ yung kailangan matanggal. Or actually Chris, pero si Newsom kasi
No, you need
medyo,
you need defense. You need
He's,
some
he's the
pressure sa
defender.
you need some pressure sa backcourt.
yeah. Well, that's what Dwight's there for. You can do. So, ayun nga, it depends on the roster construction. Pero yun nga, the headings of the world, the Bolicks,
Actually,
Matthew
ako
Wright.
Bolick, man.
Matthew Wright, I would love to see
Matthew
come back in a
Wright, man.
Gilas jersey.
Oo nga, no?
Yeah, we haven't seen Matthew in a while also, di ba? So, again, many names who we could name. But these are the ones who are gonna be fielded out there, and I'm gonna support it no matter what. Pero yun nga, Graham is right when he said na yung politics talaga yung medyo ang
It's
sakit
always
na eh.
gonna be there, no? It's always gonna be there.
It's always going to be there. Unless, you know, a team na, let's say, SGA handles the national team. Yung wala silang team sa PBA, you know? Yeah, I mean, technically.
Technically.
So, you know, wala yung, dapat grupo lang natin yung kasama. Yun, sana matigil na yun, but it's gonna be, I'm gonna tell you something. Mas mauuna pang mangyari yun kesa mawala yung mga scalper. You know?
Okay, you know what? My turn on the scalpers, bro. Y'all, I don't know about this one. Yung sa scalping sa BTS tickets. Pero man, ang hirap. Ang hirap makakuha ng tickets sa
Yeah,
BTS na yun.
Kala ko makakuha na nga ako kanina eh. 700 na ako eh. I was at line 700. Tapos biglang sold out.
Ang hirap. Ang hirap makakuha ng ticket.
Bro, alam mo
My
ba, I have
God.
never missed a BTS concert in my life.
Really?
Never
How do you
watched
want?
Because he's
Oh,
never
gago.
attended one, man. Bro, you fell right into that one.
Not gonna like
Coach Tim, I'm
Graham's on
Coach
point.
Chot, you know? Coach Tim, Coach Chot. Fell into my trap, you know?
You fell right into the trap, man. I was gonna let it slide, but pero yeah, yung scalpers, man. I don't know kasi yung sa BTS kanina, parang I don't know if there were scalping issues with the BTS one kanina. I doubt it.
Wala. They really got that shit locked down.
Yeah. Pero man, ang hirap talaga kumuha ng ticket. BTS, 4th day, please. Pina 4th day din sila.
Tagal na sa Pilipinas, no? Sa Bulacan. Sa Bulacan lahat.
Nagawa nga natin magpa 3 days sila, pina 4 pa. please, man.
Bro, imagine if si Taylor Swift na yung mag-concert dito.
Lagi, kahit 1 week yan.
Wild.
Kahit 1 week yan.
I actually disagree. I believe mas maraming fans ng BTS dito sa Philippines kaysa sa
No
United States.
way.
Bro, I'm
No
dead
way.
ass. I'm dead ass.
Feel ko, Mario, it's even. It's even.
No, it's not even, Nico. Don't be on the safe side. Pick a side, man. Pick a side.
Asshole.
Wala kang sweldo.
Not saying this
Lalagay ko
because
sa amin ni Mario.
I'm a Swiftie, but yeah, I mean, you know, I'm just saying. But F
I-
these scalpers.
Bro, have you seen the BTS tickets?
Graham doesn't know the fandom, Mario. He doesn't know.
Bro,
How
I do know
big-
the
telling
fandom,
you.
man.
I feel like mas maraming fans ng BTS dito kasi sa Taylor Swift.
No way.
And,
Kung
you know,
meron
let
man,
us
baka
know-
by a few. Kung meron man, baka by a few. They're more, I'm not saying the overwhelming, Graham, lead. But it's like 4-point lead. Kind of.
I'd like to, for people. Nasa dulo kasi ng video, but I like for people to vote on
Let us know if we're right.
Okay, if awat kayo sa part ng video na to,
Yeah.
comment below, BTS or Taylor Swift, down below. We know na umabot kayo sa part ito ng video. Anything more on Gilas, guys, before we wrap it up?
Nga pala, Gilas nga pala to.
Now we're gonna lose both games, but you
There are
know,
3 games, ah.
3?
May games sila against Guam, di ba? Or wala na?
AC, the 1 and 2.
All right, they're gonna.
I'm not sure, ah.
beat them.
I'm not sure, but I'm fairly certain.
Yeah,
Basta
whatever.
we lose to New Zealand and Australia with the
Yeah.
lineup that we have in the lineup that they have.
By how many?
Plus,
I think
we
by at
can do
least
that sa
20.
preview, man.
Yeah, I will do it in the preview.
Yeah, okay, fine. Whatever.
But you know, I'm the one thing I will say, I will agree with Graham. I'm kind of happy na medyo makakapahinga si Scotty.
Kailangan niya pahinga.
And-
Ba't di naman si Scotty kailangan magpahinga? Si Justin Brownlee.
JB
Kaya nga
kailangan
nandiyan si
magpahinga.
Boatwright tsaka si ano eh. Si,
I feel like
si
ito to,
Jordan
I feel like if
Clarkson.
Benny's ano made it, yung what's it called?
Yung papers.
Yung papers niya. Feeling ko it would have been him. I feel like it would have been him.
Ayun, it's
It
about
should have been
time.
me.
You know?
Should have
About
been
time.
me. But yeah, I feel like it would have been him if nga na umabot. Pwede umabot. So I guess JB. But man, nobody has ridden a player more. Wow.
Oh.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey,
Sorry.
hey,
Dude,
hold on.
JB has been ridden the most out of any player I've seen under any coach. And I've watched Tom Thibodeau and all that, man. Like, he's been ridden by Tim Cohn to the literal ground right now. So I hope at some point makapahinga siya. Kasi after
Feeling mo sa
Gilas-
ride
Yeah.
There's only one comparison, man. Okay?
Hmm.
And this is, a tough conversation to have. Tim Cone to Justin Brownlee, Darvin Ham to Torian Prince, man. I do
Torian
not
Prince,
understand why, but
you.
Darvin Ham to Torian Prince.
Yeah.
There's something in there. But hey, Alex Compton and Kevin Rakal, by the way. That also that was also sus,
But yeah, I mean, guys, we'll always
Gilas,
talk.
we're still rooting for you.
We still root for you. But that's all that really matters at the end of the day.
Alright.
Alright,
Go
yun lang naman.
beat those New Zealanders, man.
He
Yeah,
almost said
Alfred.
he almost said something, Mario. He almost said something.
Yeah, I heard it.
He almost said something.
Hey.
Alam ko na yung may moment of ano dun, pause na bawal live to. Hindi pala to off recording. Anyway, follow 5-star rating Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. See you guys for our next episode in 1 to 2 days. Peace.
Adios, amigos. Grazie, Nebra.